Hello everybody. Today's video we will be fixing the crack of my back case. Tools we'll be using are something to pull open the bottom, okay, a ruler to support, a hair dryer, okay, so that we'll do the heat on the base, so that you remove the glue at the bottom, at the corner of this phone itself. And last but not least, if you buy online, the phone case itself. Okay, this is, I haven't opened it yet. The case will be protected in a styrofoam, so it ships to you nicely. And this should be it. Okay, let's see you unbox it. This is the case itself. I'm not sure what they wrote over there, but let's pull it open. So this itself is a matte back, okay, matte plastic, doesn't crack. Apparently the one that ships default with the phone is a glass back, and this is my second replacement. It's a shiny glass back, and the issue is it cracks when you drop your phone. Despite having what can I say, phone casing protector that comes with it, it will look like that. It doesn't really see the crack itself, but regardless, this is the second one because the limited edition purple that is with this phone is a replacement. So this is apparently my second time dropping the device. Okay, so without further ado, let's replace this to this very nice one. Take note, actually this is a third party, it's not original one. The adhesive is at the corner, so you might need to scratch a bit before you paste it down, and then use a heat to melt the adhesive towards the end. Okay, so first step, and you might want to be careful around some parts, because one thing, the glass will break if it's a glass back. Second thing is there's some connector somewhere around here which I forget which side. So be careful when prying open, and let's start heating. So we'll heat the back. Before that, off your phone. That's a very important thing to do. Turn off your phone, because it will overheat your device and the battery shelf life will drop. So it's because the hair dryer is very hot. Apply heat towards the corner, and most of the time you want to start with the corner that you want to remove first. Okay, the whole camera module itself, and actually walk against the corner. So the adhesive is only at the corner. It's a useless. Now you see the black corner towards the device itself, or at the back corner. Okay, so first heat. After heat, use this prying tool. Can be any prying tool. Remove the adhesive. And yeah, you can see this black thing over here. So the adhesive is being removed. Oops. Okay, this is my second replacement. So apparently it came off easier upon heating. The original one will be very tight. I don't know why it's fall out so easily, but be careful if you're doing the real thing. Because the first time when I removed mine, at the corner, the crack over here, it started cracking even further. The original adhesive is very tight. This is a lot lighter. Through the heating element, I believe this is a lot less effort when my manual prying at the corners compared to my first removal. But with proper heating at all the four corners and stuff, it is quite easy. Okay, the second thing, when you open, be careful when you remove this corner. Okay, because it's quite sticky. But when you remove it wrongly, what will happen is that this adhesive won't provide a comprehensive, nice seal to provide your IP resistance seal. Okay, so when you break open the seal, break open with care. So remove it at the corner, be gentle. I think it requires some heat. Always use heat, heat is your best friend, so that it won't stick onto the plastic that comes with it. Okay, then what you have is a better removal and a better sealing when you seal your phone. Okay, so seal that. Okay, this second removal, let's hope this time I do a better job. Okay, looks better. I think need more heat. The last time I broke the seal, and I don't want it to happen again. Okay, so you can see I think I break the seal again because the seal is supposed to stick at the corner of the phone to remain sealed. But during this removal, I think I just pop it out again, so I just seal it back. Okay, there is a tab over here at the corner. Let's use the legit tab to help me with the removal. Okay, because there's a nice cut at the corner. Always be gentle, because apparently I screwed up the last one. Ooh, be careful. Okay, be careful because towards the end, it will easily give way. Okay, given way. So paste it back at the bottom. Continue tearing. Okay, see? So it's very brittle. I don't know why they use such a lousy seal, but it's very brittle towards the corner. You want to always seal it back to the phone, the back case, so that it comes off nicely. These four corners are very brittle. If you screw it up, you won't just have a perfect seal. So see, it's coming up. Oh fuck, okay, so you will put it back. Okay, sorry the vulgarity, let's just put it back. Ugh. Okay, so you put back the seal. And we see it's coming up from the phone itself. Apparently it's not a very tight seal. But apparently if you are a person that really wants a tighter seal, you may need to put adhesive or glue or whatever towards the phone itself. Okay, see, I broke it again. So the main thing is these four corners are very easy to break. Okay, we'll remove it, and then see these four corners, this corner itself somewhat remove. Okay, and just put it on. After remove it, just put it back on nicely. Apparently this is not a legit one, the replacement, same as this, although it looks quite legit, right? But this is a third party from some online sellers that does it. So seal it on. Apparently this third party one doesn't has a glass back, so it doesn't crack, and let's hope it lasts. Last but not least, upon applying force on all four corners, stick it towards the base. Okay, press, use your fingers to press all four corners, because that's the only double-sided tape in black, which is very delicate and to break. So okay, when your phone heats up sometime, if you never do a proper to seal it back, it will come out. So do your last sealing at your last four corners, so you'll create a good seal towards the end of the device. Okay, heat it up, press. Okay, it's getting very hot. Okay, just ensure it's a heat seal, and it should fit back nicely. So there you have it, a brand new phone, glass back, and the cracked one, it's over here. Apparently the broken one is still quite okay lah, but I can say nothing beats a perfect non-broken phone. So I just bought it. It was a lot cheaper than getting it repaired by I can say phone repair shops out there lah. So it's nothing much actually, just an adhesive And it's quite similar to last time, the old phone where you slide open the case. It's just replaced by glue. Just now I mentioned there's a clip at the corner. Ensure you do not pry open anything that's delicate inside, which is the NFC chip connector. Yeah, so just ensure these two sides, just play safe. I will put a picture of it, if I have time, of the NFC chip module thing that you would like to avoid. Apparently I've removed it. Some phones you might need to take note is that there might be some it's some form of wireless charging at the back, so you take note not to damage that, and some of the modules might be attached towards the glass back. Do your research first before opening, and that's it for today. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.